Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu. Now click on calendar. Tap on the month above and select the date. When you're done, click add the plus icon. Choose event. And over here you can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, add location, people and many other things. When you're done, tap save. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wanna delete it, tap on it, click on three dots, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!